Swapping outfits and backgrounds with Photoshop? Wait, this is better than Photoshop and saves lots of time. It is better for photo editing. Go to Google AI Studio and go to the Build tab in the side panel. There are tons of apps to play with, but for now we are looking at Pixshop, a better photo editing tool. Let's open Pixshop and upload an image. I want to change the scene to the winter, which doing in Photoshop obviously will be hard. Let's put the prompt and hit Generate. It looks nice. Now let's change the outfit for the winter season. Let's write the prompt and generate. Here it is. Nice result. Let's now try on another image. The person had shadow in the face that I want to remove. Let's try giving it the prompt. Sometimes the AI does not generate what we want. In that case, you can reset and write the prompt again. Now this looks better without the shadows. Let's now ask Pixshop to remove the hat from the head. And here it did a nice job. Let's add a sunglass, and the result is too good. Now I have taken this photo with white background. I want to change the background and the dress of the woman. Let's try writing the prompt. The background looks good. Let's try changing it. Try something new. Enjoy and write in the comment below, was it useful for you? Thanks for watching.